So how can you replace the order post on Instagram in your profile? Let's get started. If you're new here on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you probably know that you can pin photos to your profile and bring up some of the older images to the top by using the pin tool, which is still there, but you've probably seen it that there is a new feature slowly rolling out, and it's the grid reorganization. And you can find it in the Instagram profile when you go to the edit profile button, and there you should be able to see the grid and edit grid button. As I say, it's not available just yet for everybody. One thing you can do is to check out the App Store and there type in the Instagram right away to see if it's available, if there's an update available for that app. And if there is, just make sure you install it, because possibly new features can be added through a software update, right? So just make sure you always run on the latest version. But at the end of the day, it still may not just guarantee that you're going to get that feature. So perhaps you'll need to wait out a little bit, but it will soon be available for everybody. But as I say, it's in the edit profile, and you should be able to find the edit grid section. Keep in mind, however, that you can only edit the main grid. This does not apply to the reels or tagged photos, right? Because those need to be shown chronologically. Instagram is trying to focus on the reels much more. These are probably more important, so you cannot reorganize those, but the rest of the images maybe soon. So let me know if you already have that feature. Hit the thumbs up for more explanation videos and tutorials like this one. Subscribe so you obviously do not miss them, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.